Hi, I'm Chris with Science Museum Oklahoma, and I am our Tinkering and Special Projects Educator here. What that really means is that I just make these really big and weird things. So on June 4th and 5th here at the Science Museum, we are going to be holding a convening of makers and STEAM educators. We are doing this because we know that making doesn't happen in a vacuum. It's inherently social by nature. Whenever we make anything, we are going to the internet, we're looking at things that other people have made, we're getting ideas from their processes, we are reading books that other people have written on all of their shared experiences. So we want to provide an in-person way for people to get together, to connect, to share ideas, to share completed projects, to share works in progress and celebrate those things. And most importantly, we want to make sure that you guys have a way to come out, do something hands-on, and then leave with a really tangible way to implement that in your classroom, in your makerspace, or wherever you do your making or your art. Thanks to the generous sponsorship of Oklahoma EPSCoR, attendance to this is going to be entirely free, but attendance is limited, so you're going to have to register in advance. So be sure to go to our website, sciencemuseumok.org, and look for the link for the convening. And I really hope that I see all of you there. Have a good one, guys.